I have some friends who are of my age and they are going in such wrong directions, and I didn't want to step into that. Whatever be it, whatever kind of relationships they were looking for. I said, no, why not I seek the divine? Rather than searching for someone else, why not I look into myself and I love myself? And at that moment, automatically I met this guru. Automatically I found the guy, and he's such a perfect person for me. I can't express it in words. I have found a guru who can lead me on the right direction. It's very difficult that people don't find gurus. It's very, very difficult to find people who can guide you in the right path. And to have got that, I would never lose that opportunity. Thank you so much.
Oh my God. Okay. Now I have a strong desire that I want to attract all the women in the world, all the girls in the world should get attracted to me. What quality should I carry in order to have, such an attraction? Now, I think the question is coming from the male, sector. Now, the first and the most important thing you must understand is the desire which you carry, that you want to attract all the women in the world, is the biggest barrier. This is the biggest barrier or the block, that all the women will get, away from you. Now, the very intention is very wrong, Now, why I am saying this is, the moment you carry this desire that you want to attract everyone, the moment you see a woman, you want to attract the girl, you want to attract that woman, immediately, the desire is very strong inside, and it creates a little bit of disturbance, a huge disturbance happens. And the moment that disturbance or, an agitation, or you become anxious, you become disturbed. The moment the energies are getting disturbed inside, you lose everything. Now, whatever you do will go against the woman's desire or the woman's attraction. Now, this is the biggest barrier. First, the intention itself is wrong, because the moment a man has a need, against the woman, you always have a need towards a woman. Now, this need itself is the biggest barrier. The moment you have a need, now you want something out of the woman. Now you want something out of that girl. So there is an inbuilt expectation builds up inside. The moment this need arises and the moment this expectation arises, there is no love at all. See, the word love, 99% of the people in the world, they don't understand what is love. Love has got different definitions. Everybody has got their own definition. Motherly love, fatherly love, loverly love, all these kinds, brotherly love, sisterly love, all these kinds of definitions you have in the world. I'm saying all these are completely, false. Love means simply love. There is only one love. The word love means, let me give you a very, very simple definition. The word love, if you truly need to understand that, it's all about giving. Love is not about taking something out of someone. Love is all about giving. When you are a true giver, you are truly in love with someone. It is not related to a particular person or a thing or a relationship or a person. No, it's all about giving. If you look at it in a deeper sense, and if you want, to understand love in a very deeper sense, let me give you a very simple and a very, very simple example. You must have heard the word called responsibility. Responsibility. The word responsibility is a beautiful word. And love means responsibility. It's as simple as that. Responsibility is equal to love, or love is equal to responsibility. They are both are one and the same. Now, having said this, what is responsibility? You need to understand. The word itself has got a beautiful meaning. Responsibility, or if you put it in the other way, it is your ability to respond to a situation. That's called responsibility. Any kind of situation, if a person is able to respond, if you carry that ability, and if your ability is at the peak, then you are you carry ultimate responsibility in your heart. Now, when a person carries this kind of a responsibility against a woman especially, then all the women will get attracted to you. There is no agenda for you. You don't have any need. The need itself is completely gone. You don't have any agenda with that woman, but you want everything to be given to her. You want to respond whatever way the woman or a girl is reacting. You will respond to the situation. You will never react to the situation. Only when a person has got a need from a woman, now he wants something out of the woman. Now this moment, if the woman reacts, you also react. Now this is not response, this is reaction. There is a huge difference between response and reaction. Now the moment the need itself is gone, now you are in a complete giving mode. You want to offer everything to that woman. Now, if a person carries this kind of a feeling, if you are in this kind of a mood, then you are truly in love with that girl. This is true love. You don't expect anything. You just give everything for her because you want to make the other person happy. That's the only agenda. Now, when a person is in this kind of a energy, and if you carry this kind of a vibration, the intention itself is all about giving, then you truly respond to the situation. You become the most intelligent person. Then you become natural. There is no pretension. There is no acting. You don't want to, pretend anything in front of that woman. You don't try to be a good person. You don't try to be a bad person. You are a very responsible person. What is needed for that girl or a woman, you are trying to do in that particular moment. This is a very responsible person. Now, your whole intention, you're very relaxed now. You don't expect anything, whether the woman is coming to you or the woman is going to leave. It doesn't matter. You want to do something to that girl. Now, when a person is in this state, he is very relaxed. You become very relaxed. You are very peaceful. You are very calm. You are very joyous. You are very natural. And you are very effortless. And you are very truthful. That person will be very, your integrity is very important. Now, all these qualities will automatically be there. And all these qualities, the woman automatically they get attracted. They like very responsible person. They like very lovable person. They like a man who is very natural. They like the person who is very, friendly, no possessiveness, no holding. Now, this creates a big space for the woman. It's a very beautiful space. Now, you become a true giver. Now, this one quality, if you carry within yourself without any intention, without any need, now the whole world of women will get attracted to you. Now, this is exactly one of the main reasons why the whole world got attracted towards Krishna. Krishna is the biggest example. The Purana says that he had 16,000 wives. If you look at it logically, how can a man marry 16,000 girls? It is not humanly possible, to take, everything out of 16,000 girls, then he must be a biggest giver. Only a biggest giver, only a man of true love can attract so much of women in the world, Now, the moment you carry this quality, the need itself should go. And when you become truly responsible, and that creates unconditional love. There is no such thing as unconditional love. You call it unconditional. Love means unconditional. There is no such thing as unconditional. Love means unconditional. You are a true giver. When you carry this kind of a feeling, the whole world of women will get attracted to you and you become a Krishna, very powerful person. I wish you be the most responsible person, you be the most lovable person. The whole world will get attracted to you. The feel should be there. You understand?